Hey everybody, what is up and welcome back to another quick deep dive tutorial. Today I want to walk you through something super practical. How to access and actually use your Instagram professional dashboard to level up your game. And more importantly, I'm going to show you how to pair what you learn there with a tiny secret weapon I've been using to turn long videos into short, viral-ready clips. It literally saves me hours of work every single week. And honestly, it gets way better results than just winging it with my content strategy. Alright, first things first, getting into your professional dashboard is a lot easier than most people think. Open the Instagram app and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner just like you always do to get to your profile page. Once you are there, look right under your name and above the Edit Profile and Share Profile buttons where you should see the Professional Dashboard tab. Go ahead and tap that button and boom, you are officially in the hub of your analytics. Now, if you do not see it right away, do not freak out because there is usually a simple account setup step blocking the view. Inside this dashboard, you will notice a few key sections like Insights, Content You Shared, Next Steps, and Achievements. They also surface things like Reels best practices, creative inspiration, partnership tools, and various ad options for your business. It is essentially a massive hub of tools and analytics that help creators make much smarter content choices. And let me tell you, if you are genuinely trying to grow your brand on Instagram, having this data is absolute gold. Now, a quick caveat. Instagram tends to gate access to the professional dashboard until you finish some basic setup requirements. In my experience, you usually need to complete at least 4 of the 6 onboarding steps for your account for the dashboard to fully unlock. That usually just means confirming your contact details, choosing a professional category, and adding your business information. Once those steps are done, the dashboard shows up automatically and you are ready to start diving into the numbers. So let me give you a few practical tips on how to actually leverage what is inside there for your growth. First, look at the Insights tab to find your best performing posts when your audience is online and how people are actually discovering you. The Content You Shared section helps you compare formats so you can see if your reels are doing better than your static posts. You need to use that information to inform exactly what kind of content clips you produce next. And this is where a lot of creators stall out. They see the potential in the insights, but they do not have the time or editing skills to turn long-form content into short clips. That is exactly why I started using a completely different workflow, one that combines the dashboard insights with an AI clip-making tool. I do not want to make this sound like an ad, because it is not. But here is my honest breakdown of how to solve this bottleneck. You can manually scrub and edit clips in software like Premiere, Final Cut, or even CapCut, which works fine if you have hours of time to kill. The problem is that it is incredibly slow and it does not scale well if you are trying to post daily. Tools like Later or Hootsuite do scheduling well, but they won't automatically pick the viral moments from a 2-hour live stream for you. And some newer AI tools promise automatic highlights, but they are either too expensive or need constant manual tweaking to make them look good. That is where a tool like Vizard really stands out for me because it is designed for creators who want speed and quality. Vizard automatically finds viral-worthy moments in long videos and makes them into ready-to-post clips, which saves me an insane amount of time. Then, instead of having to manually schedule each clip, I can set an auto-schedule frequency and let the AI queue posts consistently. If you are serious about growth, consistency beats sporadic effort every single time. Plus, the content calendar lets me manage, tweak, and publish clips across multiple social channels in one single place. Here are a few practical ways I use this workflow together with the Instagram professional dashboard. First, I check the insights to see exactly what topics and formats are currently trending with my specific audience. Say a live stream segment about how to structure a tutorial did great, so I upload that full stream to Vizard. It extracts the best 6 to 10 clips automatically, tags them, and prepares them for posting. Then I set the auto schedule to drop those clips over the next week at the times the dashboard says my followers are most active. The result is more frequent posting without the editing grind, and soon you will see that uptick in reach and engagement. Another thing to try is A/B testing your content by picking two clips that cover the same idea but are edited with different hooks. Post both and watch the dashboard insights to see which one resonates more with your community. Vizard's fast clip generation means you can test more variations quickly, and the content calendar keeps everything organized so you do not lose track. Compare that to relying on one-off editors or hiring expensive freelancers every single week. Sure, you get human polish that way, but it is expensive, slow, and hard to scale if you are posting daily clips. The sweet spot for many creators today is using an automatic clipper that gives you high-quality drafts you can tweak yourself. One more realistic point to keep in mind is that no tool is perfect, so stay hands-on with your content. Vizard sometimes gives you clips that need a quick trim or a stronger hook in the first second. But compared to the massive time saved and the high output volume you can produce, those are just tiny tweaks. Use the dashboard for your long-term strategy and use an auto clipper plus a scheduler to execute that strategy fast. If you are just getting started with a professional account, here is a simple playbook you can copy. First, finish the onboarding steps so your professional dashboard shows up, which unlocks all those crucial analytics. Next, run a live stream or record a longer video about one main topic so you have plenty of raw content to work with. Upload that raw video to an auto-clipping tool and generate multiple short, punchy clips. Then, consult your dashboard to pick the best times and formats for posting. Use an auto-schedule feature to drip those clips out over the week without you having to manually log in. Finally, check your insights after a few days and double down on the formats and hooks that win. Trust me, once you get into that rhythm, growth becomes a lot less random and a lot more predictable. You are not just guessing what to post each day anymore. You are following real data and scaling your production. Final quick tips. Always add captions because a huge chunk of views happen while people are watching on silent. Use the first second to hook people with a bold question, a quick reaction, or a surprising stat. And keep an eye on the dashboard's recommendations. Sometimes Instagram will tell you to try Reels more, and those small nudges matter. All right, that is it for today, and I hope this clears up how to find and use your professional dashboard. If you are making long-form content and trying to turn it into short, consistent posts, this combo will absolutely change your life. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in another video with more tips and tricks, and peace out.